Hello, friends. I hope you are all well. Today, I'm back with different certification that is ITIL 4 Foundation certification. So, if you are looking for a certification in the coming days, you are planning to do it and you wanna pass the exam, then this video is for you. So, recently I gave a exam and I passed it as well with the good percentage that is 83 percentage, and I just gave it 4 days back, 20 June 2025, and I got it today. So where I have achieved 33 out of 40, which is 83 percentage. So this is my statement of result, and this is my certificate. It looks like this. So I had given this exam back in 2020, and it was expired because normally it's expired after 3 years. So I had to do it again. So there was an option to renew the certification either by paying subscription fee, which is yearly, or just do it the exam. So I decided to go for the exam again because I was pretty confident. So I gave exam again and passed it again. So this is certificate. So today in this video you will see the quick content guide, that what you have to learn and what are the contents that come in the exam. It's just like a quick one. So it's not a full course, but it will show you what are the contents will covered with the answers and questions and everything. And in the coming videos, I will put 12 practical question that might be helpful for the exam. And third video will be 5 real exam question that I have given in my exam. And the last one is how I passed my ITL 4 certification. So if you watch this 4 video, you should be able to give the exam and pass the exam as well with the help of the contents that I will give you. Any content I put in this video or I show you in the video, you can ask me in the comment section, can I have this content file? Then I'll send you through email. So just put your email address on the comment section. I'll send you for sure. So without any delay, let's go and see what are the contents that covered in the ITL 4 certification. So here I have put some files. So after reading myself, I have put one or make one Word document. So let's go through that. So this is a closed book exam and you have, I think, more than 1 hour. In my time, it was almost 75 minutes. So it should be 75 minutes. And there are 40 multiple choice question, and the pass mark is 26 out of 40, which is 65%. You just need 65% to pass the exam. So who should attend this course? The person who is working in IT environment need to attend this course because it's very really important on the IT environment to have this certificate, and many of the employer are asking this certificate nowadays. So every time you go and apply the job in the SEEK or anywhere, there's a requirement or is a desirable certification. So the course contents for the certification are, obviously there is an introduction, key concepts, 4 dimension of service management, ITL service value system, and ITIL management practice. So you can give an exam from this website called peopleshot.org.au, and certificate expire after 3 years. So ITIL is like information technology infrastructure library called ITSM, IT service management. So here you have to know some of the topics and concept of that. So there are like service management, service, what is service, like a value co-creation, what is output, outcome, service relationship, then service relationship management, service offering, service provision, service consumption, organization, consumer, sponsor, customer, user value, cost removed, cost imposed, risk management, utility, warranty. So these are the definition you need to remember before you go for the exam. So I have written everything over here. So if you need this file, obviously let me know in the comment section. I'll send it to you. Then you go, next one is 4 dimension, which is organization and people, information and technology, partner and suppliers, value stream and processes. So you have to remember this diagram because they will ask what are the 4 dimension and identify the missing one, or so many questions around this one. And good supply, service delivery, what is value stream, what is processes, you have to remember these things. Then comes our service value system. So what is service value system? This is a very good definition that mostly come on the exam. You have to remember this diagram. What are the components of service value system? So you have to remember this one as well. What is opportunity demand? What are the guiding principle? So what is guiding principle, like a recommendation? So this is one of the question that came to my exam. What is guiding principle? So usually the option will include the recommendation. So you have to remember the keywords in every definition or everything I have mentioned here. You have to remember one keyword that will help you to find the answer. So for example, the keyword over here is recommendation. So any section you see the recommendation, there is a 99% chance that's the answer. So guiding principle is like a recommendation that guide a organization in any circumstances. So there are guiding principle like focus on value, start where you are, progress iteratively with feedback, collaborate, think and work holistically, keep it simple and practical, optimize and automate. So you have to know these things. So there is a definition I have written here. You have to go through this one. Then what is governance? Then service value chain. So pretty much everything is here: guiding principle, governance, service value chain, then practices, and then continual improvement. So this is a service value chain diagram where it includes plan, engage, improve, design and transition, obtain and build, deliver and support. So you have to remember everything what is written there. What is a proposal plan? What are the things that is done in improve, like in engage, design and transition, obtain and build, deliver and support. So if you have any other book or any other materials that you can read, then you can read from there, or you can ask this file. So you have to go to the continual improvement. For example, like this, how do we keep momentum going on? So there are certain things. What is vision? Where are we now? Where do you want to be? How do you get there? Take action, and did you get there? So normally the question will be like, so they will give you example. There is a company, and the company wants to go or achieve this percentage, and what are the options, or what are the answer. So normally you have to choose where do you want to be. If there is any goal target, then the answer will be this one. If there is a vision related question, then the answer will be what is the vision. So if there is any action that need to take, then answer will be take action. So they will give you a scenario and you have to choose the answer from this one. And then the last one is practices. So there are so many practices, but you have to remember only 15 practices for the exam. So what definition of practices? There are three categories: general management, service management, and technical management. So in general management, you have four practices that you need to remember. So this one, continual improvement, information security management. So this was the question that came to my exam. So the question was like, which practices will help you to protect the information for the organization? And the answer was information security management. So as I told you, every answer will have a keyword. So the keyword for this question will be protect the information for the company, and the keyword for this one is continual improvement. You have to find the keyword for every practices that will help you to find the answer. Then relationship management, supplier management. So likewise you have to go through this all practices. And the last one is technical management, deployment management. So once you go through these contents, then you are pretty much ready for the exam. So just book for the exam and you should be able to pass it. So I will see you in another video. In the next video, I will include some practical questions based on this file. Thank you.